Blessings, viewers and subscribers. This is an update on the reggae artist Laden situation. You know, he had been charged for um, possession of firearm and ammunition. Now, he had pleaded guilty in court in the St. Elizabeth Parish Court. He had pleaded guilty to gun possession of firearm and ammunition. So he will return to court on the 15th of December 2020, the end of the year, people, for sentencing. People, see how easy a man can give away his life. He's not dead, but he's gonna be behind bars for a long time. If he had known, if he had think twice, if he had made the right choice. When you're making choice, you have to think about the consequences. Now he's gonna be sentenced the end of 2020 behind bars for God he knows how long. People, the co-accused, the other two, the 21-year-old and the 16-year-old, have been freed because Laden had plead guilty. He owned up to it, that is his. Well, I think they had run their tests on the firearm to see if it was involved in anything else, and I haven't heard of it involving anything. So that's not bad, because if it was involved in other things, that would be double trouble for him. That would be triple trouble, double, all the trouble that you can think of. But he pleaded guilty to the firearm and the ammunition. So December 15, he will know his fate. He won't even be able to spend Christmas. Oh, well, he's locked up, so, but I mean, he's going to be sentenced and go behind bars. Wow. His lawyer should plead for him so he could get a less time or so, because nobody wants to see the artist go behind bars for a lot long period. Even though he make a wrong choice, you know, we're not going to wish anything bad for the artist. And it is sad, really sad. And, it's about a month ago, October, I think it's the 28th of October, he was driving in a black Mercedes-Benz, and the police had stopped the car on the road, and they complied. And as soon as the police go towards them, they sped off. And the police gave a chase, because once you stop somebody and they're going to speed off, that means something is wrong, they have something. The police chased them, and during the chase, something was thrown from the roof. The police continued chasing them and caught up with them, take them back to the spot where the object was thrown from the roof, and retrieve a firearm and the ammunition. So they were charged, but as I said before, the 21-year-old and the 16-year-old was freed. And Laden have to face the music now. You got to face the music. People, I would say they are lucky. They are lucky, because if the police stop you and you stop, and when the police come in towards the car, you speed away, there could have been a shootout or something. The police could have shoot off of the car and say whatever, and you don't know the story already. What would happen in the car? Yes, people. So count themselves lucky. Or maybe the police know that it was Laden in there, so they didn't want to shoot the artist or so. But police can't stop you, and you stop, you complied, and then you speed off. You know they're going to give you a chase, and their vehicle is much faster than yours. When you're speeding, you could have crashed or something. That was wrong. I guess that is panic, because they know they have something illegal in the car, so they panic and they speed away. But now he has to face the music. And I want you guys out there, you artists, you guys, why every day the news is talking about these things and people not learning, people not taking a leaf out this book. Everybody is hot-headed and doing all kind of stuff and making the wrong choices and getting themselves in problems. And the only time they're gonna realize what they're doing is when something like this happens, like what happened to Laden now. He's gonna be sentenced to go behind bar. His whole career is gonna be on hold for a long time. Maybe everything mash up. Oh my God. You see, you got to think twice, guys. You got to be careful. Can't just jump onto things. You got to think about the consequence. Focus, guys. Everybody is all not even, thinking of what could happen to them. If he had known he wouldn't have that illegal stuff in the car, he wouldn't even get an illegal gun. He would try to get a gun license if he need a gun. Now he got to go behind bars, to live the rough, hard life. Yes. People, what's your thought on this? Comment, people. Let's talk about it, people. It's December 15. I hope he don't get a lot of time with his firearm and ammunition, so nobody knows what's gonna happen there. But the fact that he plead guilty, he should maybe get less time because he own up to it. And I wish him all the best, people. Please remember to subscribe, those of you who do not subscribe. Thank you.